tropical rainforest is important because it provides a habitat for plants and animals. Over 30 million species of plants and animals live in the tropical rainforest. The rainforest regulates our climate too, and helps to prevent soil erosion. Another important thing is that 20% of our modern medicines originate from tropical forest plants. The biotic factors of this rainforest biome are the amount of water and sunlight, climate, weather, and precipitation. These things affect the trees and animals that live there. These are very important because without the right amount of water and sunlight, the trees in the rainforest will not be able to grow and will die. The species of this rainforest will be affected if the trees die. The temperature in a rainforest rarely gets higher than 34 centigrades or drops below 20 centigrades. Average humidity is between 77 and 88%. Rainfall is often more than 100 inches a year. Understory plants compete for sunlight, so must have large leaves that maximize capture of limited light. Tall trees growing in pure shallow soil often have buttressed roots for support. Epiphytic plants grow on the branches of tall plants as opposed to soil. This allows epiphytes to take advantage of available sunlight while obtaining nutrients through their host. Animals are active all year. Many animals use camouflage to hide from predators. Some can change color to match their surroundings. Animals that live in the canopy have adaptations for climbing, jumping, and/or flight. Today, Mexico's rainforests are limited to the southeastern Mexico, along the Gulf of Mexico and the state of Chiapas. Forests around the world are affected by air and water pollution, produced from industrial and commercial activities. Rainforests are seriously degraded by air pollution. Acid rain also takes its toll on tropical forests. Fertilizers and pesticides used in agricultural areas adjacent to forests can take a toll on rainforest wildlife, including critical pollinators and seed dispersers. The endangered species of the rainforest are the golden lion tamarin monkeys, toucans and parrots, jaguars, gorillas, poison dart frogs, manatees, Bengal tigers, chimpanzees, harpy eagles, and orangutans.